In this task, the DevOps stage migration of version of the infrastructure to the AWS cloud. Recognizing the scale of this undertaking, we have opted to approach the migration in incremental steps rather than as a single massive transition. To achieve this, they have segmented large tasks into smaller, more manageable units. We need to create the EC2 instance with following requirements. The instance must be the name of the instance. You can use Linux AMI to launch this instance. We need to use the Amazon Linux. And we need to instance types will be T2 micro. We have multiple instance types based on the CPU. So we need to select T2 micro. This is the micro based storage type. So we need to choose T2 micro. We have I will show you the multiple instance type will be available as on the our storage type. So create a new RSA keeper, name Atlas KP, and that is the default available by default security group into that's the security group as it is the default security group have only the SSH rule permission. We are attaching that permission only. So we need to log in our AWS portal. Go to the console page, click on the EC2. The name of the instance must be Atlas EC2. Copy the name of the instance and go to the EC2. Launch instance. Click on the launch instance. Instance name. We need to select our images. Amazon Linux. Should be select Amazon Linux. And after we need to select instance type. You can see here lot of instance available. This is one CPU, 0.5 GB memory, the nano instance, or micro instance. Micro instance have 1 GB memory in the T2 version. A small instance means 1 CPU, 2 GB memory. Your medium instance means 2 CPU, 4 GB memory. And large instance means you can see 2 CPU, 8 GB memory. So this is the memory. We are selecting our server's memory. Server is our server's CPU and memory of our server. So we need to select our storage of T2 micro. T2 micro, 1 GB memory, 1 CPU. This is our Linux type. Instance type should be T2 micro. Create new RSA keeper. Keeper name should be Atlas KP. So go to the keeper. You can see the keeper have and don't have. So now we need to create new keeper. Keeper name should be Atlas KP. We need to select RSA type. RSA type means it will be encrypted, private and public keeper. So it will be we are using the pen key because pen the private key file format should be pen key. Pen key only using in the SSH portal. We are using in our AWS client. Enable CLI only using the SSH login. If you are using the PPK, you can see we are using the PPK. I have one of the application available, the name of the putty software. If you are install the putty software, you can use only using the putty software only. You can using the putty terminal only. You need to access the PPK. Otherwise, if you are using the AWS CLI means, you can using the pin key if you have the SSH connection. Go to the create key pair. Our key pair will be downloaded, and we need to select network. They have mentioned the default network of VPC. We need to select default subnet. Then go to and attach the default security group. Attach the default security group. Select any one of the subnet. Both are default VPC subnet. Go to the create security group. Select existing security group. Because we need to select the default security group. Go to select it. Then launch instance. Now our instance will be launched. Go to the instance. Now you can see the instance ID. This is our public IP address. And private IP address. This is our public DNS instance state of running. The type will be T2 micro. You can see the subnet will be added. VPC will be added. Go to the details. You can see the AMI ID. Platform we are selecting the Linux platform. It will be AMI of Amazon. We are using Amazon AMI. This is our AMI kernel ID. You can go to the security. You can see here this is our security group. This is the default security. We are selecting default security. You can see here the inbound rules will be, they have mentioned all traffic, all protocols, and all ports will be running in the security groups. Inbound rules is collecting all traffic. So it will be running on all services. Now our EC2 is created. Go to the EC2 instance. Click on instance. You can see here our EC2 instance will be created. Our EC2 instance will be created. This is our instance type, state. Instance state should be running. We need to wait for status check. Status check means it will be available in will be running in every server. So it will be not just now it will be initializing. We need to wait for check pause. After check pause, we have moved to attach any other services or attach any other things. We need to wait for this check. You need to stop the your instance. You need to wait for your You can see if you need to stop your instance, you will be stop instance. You need to terminate or delete. You need me delete. You need to delete your instance, then go to instance state and delete your instance. You need to wait some time to initialize the status check. The status check will be initialized after now check our instance.